Hello YouTube, this is Barber Girl. Today I'm going to be doing another Play-Doh challenge. This time it's not timed, so I'm going to have a little more time to do it. So I have different options in here. They're way different. I have never done these options before, so I'm going to scramble them up, close my eyes and pick one. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it's folded up. It's really tiny. Okay, let's see what I got. Oh, I'm making a high heel. This is gonna be really hard. It says that it's hard on there, and just so you can make sure that I'm not cheating. See? It says high heels, if you can read it. So, yeah, I'm probably going to do about 2 of these, so I fold that up and put it somewhere else so I don't draw it again. So, let's move our bowl. Now, let's get started. I was really hoping I wouldn't get that one, but there's only one easy one. Okay, so first I'm making the heel. And this is actually going to be one of those, not like separate high heels, like the stick, but it's going to be one of those, I don't know. I guess I could do the stick. Yeah, I'll do the stick. Okay, so here's my little sticky. My little stick. So it can be angled, and this is going to be a really tall high heel. So, whoa, my lid shut off. Okay, so I don't even have a picture of a high heel, but I have a picture in my mind, I guess you could say. So, come on. Oh my goodness. So I'm just forming this into a ball, and then I'm kind of squishing it to shape it. Okay, it's actually pretty good. I'm going to finish it now, and add a little dazzle, so it'll kind of still be like a high heel. Now, where did my Play-Doh knife go? Here it is. Put this little thing in here. And then, like I said, add a little dazzle. So it'll still be like a high heel. See this high heel? It would be a pain to wear it. So this looks horrible. So my question in my mind right now is, how is this even a high heel? It isn't. So here's my little Play-Doh high heel. I'm thinking people could do way better than me on this. So in the comments down below, if you think you can do better than me on any of these, then you should comment down below and tell me, and make a video on your channel of you making what I made, but in a better version. I almost think the front of it kind of looks like a hair barrette, but yeah. So now moving on to my next thing. And getting my Play-Doh knife. Is it? Where is it? Oh, can't find my Play-Doh knife, but I can go on without it. I didn't even use it, really. Oh, there it is. Okay. So here's my little bowl. You can't really see the papers in there, but closing my eyes. Okay, I hope this is a good one. I hope this is the easy one. And I'm getting a feeling oh, it is. It's the stick person. So, here's my piece of paper. Stick person, easy. So, whew, I'm so glad that was the easy one. So, let's make our stick person. So, he has a green head. He has a green body. I should have put like a fish in there or something. So, let's flatten his body down now. So here's our stick person's head. We need to add his eyes. Then his little mouth, which will be red. Or her little mouth, I don't know. Okay. So here's his face. It's kind of looking a little freaky. So now get his body out. Put it in there. So roll this out like that. Let's put this under his head. There. Now, it looks like a lollipop. Woo, that has a flimsy little thing. Lollipop. Lick. Oh, that lollipop is horrible. Okay, so now it's gonna put it back out. Get our little arms. That high heel was horrible. I'm probably going to do one more after this. Wait. Okay, now let's fold it in half. Then we can put him on without wasting Play-Doh. So there's his arms. And let's put it back on now. His legs are going to be skinny. Skinny. Whoa. So, here we go. Now let's add his legs. And there's our little stick man. Or stick person. So, I can't really hold him up. But, there's the view. So there's our stick person. Now let's do one more. No, don't drop the bead. Okay. And one more bead to go out. And let's crumble up our stick person. Here's our stick person now. So now we're going to pick our other one. And that'll be our last one. Okay. This is one of the long ones. And I got the American flag. So I knew it was going to be a hard one because I just now, Stickman was the only easy one that I put on there for some reason. So here's the American flag. Easy. It says our flag, if you can read it. So, the American flag does not have green in it, but we can make it work. So, what I'm going to do here is actually I don't need this until later. Taking little pieces off and putting them in our Play-Doh. So you can hear that. Now this is going to be our flag part, and we need to take a nice little chunk out of here. So one is bigger than the other, so this one is bigger, this one is smaller. So this one will be our little square that's on there. So let's put that in here. Woo. So we are going to need beads on this one, and I'm going to run real quick and get a tool because I'm going to need it. Okay, so here's my tool that I got, the roller. So I'm glad I found the Play-Doh knife because I'm totally going to need it for this one. So I'm also going to need this over here, so let's do that. So first of all, you want to get a big ball of Play-Doh, and I'm not going to put the exact look on it. I'm just going to put red, white, and blue beads on it in the right areas, but not exactly as much as they have. So here we go. There's a ball, and we're just going to squish it first. And do that with our wrists. Then flatten it out as much as you can without a roller, and then really kind of as much as you can with the roller. So I'm moving this table a lot. So you just want to cut out a nice rectangle from your Play-Doh strip. So from this, you want to cut out a rectangle. So I'm going to do that now. So here we go. Here's a rectangle, and I need to get this line straight here. So I'm trying to make this as good as I can because it's our country's flag. So now I'm going to just outline where I want my little square to be. So you want it in the left corner, and then I want to put all these stripes here. So put the stripes there, and then you want to just put little dots. You probably can't see the design at all that I made with my knife. You maybe still can't see it, but I basically put the American flag design on here. With the stripes, you want to use the back of your knife so it doesn't have that big, like this part right here, like the kind of ripped looking part. So just gently do that. And then also run over this with the back of your knife. So it can be better. So once you've got your American flag design, I actually had extra from this. So that big glob in here, we might not even need. And all the stuff in there we might not even need, but we'll never know until we get all this stuff with this out. So I'm gonna make a little square, and I want this to be nice and flat too, so I actually want it a little thinner than the flag, so I'm gonna move a flag around out of the way. Woo. Roll it on the edge. So there's that, and we could have actually cut the flag out of that, so that's pretty nice. So we want to look at that, and kind of mark the square on here first before you cut it. So now you want to cut it after you marked it so you can have a line to follow. So there's my little square. I'm going to put this back in there. Now make sure the square fits, and it actually fits quite perfectly. So now I'm just going to kind of run it over with my hands. So the reason why we want that thick part there and not just the outline is because we're going to put the beads in there. So, and that comes last. So now I'm going to do the stripes. And actually, now that I think of it, I'm going to do the beads now because I don't want the stripes to dry out really. So let's do red first. Okay. Yay. I don't want that to happen. I probably should have done Actually, I'm not doing the stripes on here. I don't need them, really. So I'm going to put blue, actually white on here. I think that's how it goes. Like, there's white stars and blue things, so I'm going to put a blue background and then like leave little empty spaces. So yeah. Now I'm gonna get my red again. So fast forward this if you really like don't want to watch something this long, because that fast forwards it and it makes it fast. So I'm just going to put those there and finish it off later. I got the pink one. The pink and the white's in here. Kind of hard to compare. Or I mean, to figure out which one is which. Because there's light pink, really, really light pink in here. So, now I'm just going to go over this like the stripes. So. So this isn't really a tutorial, but if you want it to be, you can. But it's pretty easy. Actually, it's pretty hard. The high heel was very hard. The stick man was very easy. I recommend only doing the stick man. So, yeah. I'm gonna fit this little one in there. Come on. Okay. So, definitely do this. Oh, some of my beads are falling out. But you get the point. You just stripe this. And then now I'm going to do actually just some little blue things in here because I'm too lazy to do all the white, all the like blue background and then the white. So I'm just gonna make this blue. And maybe put some whites like here and there. So, where is the blue? Okay, so I'm looking for this stuff in the blue. Right as soon as this gets probably 35 minutes long, then I will stop recording. But yeah, you get the point of this probably. I hope you do, because I'm not doing this again. So just gonna do the blue, and you just fill this in with a bunch of blue, and then you'll be finished really. And you just you won't be finished with this, but if you've already got that down, then you will be finished. This is very hard. I recommend only doing the stick man or the high heels, because you can just go really sloppy on anything else but this, because this is the American flag and it needs kind of perfection, I guess you could say. But I guess that's all for this video. Comment and subscribe. Bye.